What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny and Jamie. So this is like another, like, I haven't really well, yeah, there's another like little adventure time, I guess you can call it. Like, that's what I titled the last one. But right now we're actually in Arizona, and we're on our way to medieval times. They do have one in Anaheim. They have a medieval times and a pirate one, but it's in Anaheim, and we're in Arizona, and I don't know, we just decided to come. All right, we just decided to come, try it out, check it out. I know we could have done it in Anaheim if we wanted to, but it's just never been in our mind or whatever.
And we drove all the way here to do it.
Yeah. So no, we just came. We're gonna check it out, see what else. Might do a couple things afterwards. I know I have another thing that's planned out tonight that's really cool that I actually saw, so it should be fun. Other than that, I did bring out the WRX. I'll try to see if I could get some spots later on to get it in some pictures, which will be dope, because the scenery out here is really cool, especially during sunset, but it's not looking like there's much sun right now. But yeah,
it's still like 80 degrees outside.
Yeah, it's actually San Diego weather out here right now, which is not too bad. We're here, we made it just in time. I'm probably not gonna like obviously show the whole thing. This is kind of just to get an idea of how it looks. I guess a little snippet if you want to come with your family or your girlfriend or your grandma or your dog or whatever else you want to come with. But this is medieval times. Chicken. Jesus Christ. Jamie has the other half. Got it! I got one! I'm in love! Yeah! This is what I came for! Whoa, they're getting really into it. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh. Whoa, what happened? What happened? We got done with medieval times, and now we're coming over here just down the street. 3D mini golf. We're gonna see how it looks.
You think it's okay?
It looks closed, but it has an open sign. But I guess we'll see.
What's the name?
Sunday 9. Okay, it is open. Dude, this place is dope. So you do carry some glasses around, and everything becomes like 3D-ish. You can't really tell on camera, but I have to have both lenses. But it's cool. It's dope. It's really dope. Oh, come right back. Okay, let me get in here real quick. Let me show you how it's done, bro. All right. Oh, close. Your turn. Garbaggio. Get out of the way. Let the professionals play, eh? Alright, here we go. We're gonna head off that, go to that, and then in the hole right there.
I'm almost there.
Okay. Hold on, just watch my Alright. Can you do a shuffle?
Do you really want me to?
And if you know how,
Yeah, I do.
do it.
Do you really want me to?
I don't know, it's up to you, yeah.
Remember they did that and they're like, oh.
Okay, you need to stop. No shuffler. Amy just won a major prize on this stacker. She got the headphones. Go in the dark. Impressive. I didn't win nothing, but it's alright. We just got here to our last stop from Imagine. This is gonna be our last stop of the night. It's a very late night, only because it needed reservations. But it's the Century Grand. Jamie just still doesn't know what it is. It's gonna be a cool little surprise. Like, I think it's cool little like experience. It's not more. It's like an experience, more to say than, I don't know. You'll see.
The blue bike.
It does. There's fog in here. It's the undertow over there. Thank you. So we're in like a train, as you can tell. And it has all like it even has like cold air blowing. We out here, we got our coffees. We got our coffees, I said coffees. We got our cocktails. So we got a Honest Day's Wage with a side of cherry. And then, what did you get? The Philosophers?
Yeah,
Philosophist or whatever. It's pretty good though. This is a cocktail. I've never really ever had a cocktail in my life. But this is the train.
Welcome back. My name's Daniel.
Jamie always be getting the strongest and most nastiest drinks ever. Nasty. It's not too bad. It's pretty good. But these are cocktails. Never drank cocktails before. But nasty. No. It's a no-go for me.
This was really good. Do you recommend it?
No. I got like a little coffee tasting kind of thing.
If you like old fashioned,
We're in the tunnel now. I like Riot City. Cheat cheat! We got ourselves a bootlegger. Yeah. So this is infused with alcohol, liquor, whatever you want to say, ice cream. So I'm gonna taste it, see how it tastes. Probably really good, probably really bad. I don't know. We'll see. Now we got some. Is it rain or snow? It's snow. I'm assuming it's snow. Just snowfall. But it looks like rain. But it's snow. It's dope. So definitely, the ice cream is bomb. It has something in it. You can get fucked up on this too if you wanted to. Maybe, I don't know. But it's good, definitely. If you come here, gotta get one of these. Gotta get one of these. All right, this is our stop. We're getting off here now. Cool ass bar. Where's your phone? Thank you. Have a good night. So there's the other place. There's the other place. I don't know what it is. It just looks like a normal place. This is the undertow. Did you want to check it out? Huh? Do you want to see if we can check it out? Huh? Alright, so that was the experience right there. It's really cool. They got two other places. As you can see, they had the other one, which I don't know what it was. It's like outside. I don't know. It looks weird. But there's another one that's under the whole thing, where it's a pirate ship, and we're gonna do that definitely next time when we come. But this one is pretty dope. I liked it.
We didn't want to spoil the other one.
Yeah, we didn't
want to go like look. I'm sure they would have let us.
Yeah, but they're pretty dope. I liked it. Definitely, if you're in Arizona, Arizona's a pretty small place, so you can go around this whole place
big.
Yeah, it is. It's like you can drive. It's all drivable.
But it's like
it's
some
not
of them
like
are 5 hours.
No, it's not like where you're. That's when you're going to out to the other like the Grand Canyon. All
this
those
is in Scottsdale. Just a heads up.
All those outskirt places, yes, they're further. But these inside places, they're closer to get to. They're faster to get to.
Oh yeah, there's
definitely
no
check it
traffic
out.
on the freeways here.
So far, it was Sunday.
Yeah, so far.
But it is definitely a must-do if you're in Arizona. Come check it out. Make reservations. It's cool. Definitely something to look out for. bye.